Welcome to the Aggloword IT Solution Podcast. Here you will get to hear audio describing the information that is shared in our latest blogs, and today's topic is best software development tools. Select the most popular one. So, here we begin. As software development gets traction and popularity in the market, developers and organizations are constantly looking for ways to make life easier. Because the software development sector is one of the largest and fastest growing, the best software development tools are in high demand. By 2024, the global developer population will reach 28.7 million persons, up 3.2 million from the previous year. A software development tool, also known as a software programming tool, is a computer program that helps programmers create, maintain, edit, support, and debug other programs, frameworks, or applications. There are a list of software development tools available that picking the ideal one might be difficult. It's critical to pick the correct software development tool because it can make or kill your project. However, it would be best if you first decided on project criteria, end goals, and programming languages to utilize before selecting a development tool. Here are the following considerations that will certainly assist you in selecting popular software development tools. The first point to consider is environment compatibility. Because not all software development tools are relevant or compatible with all contexts, it is critical to ensure that the chosen tool applies to the required environments. Company standards is the second point to consider. Many large and small businesses must use certain tools to adhere to policy and meet specified objectives. As a result, having some company-wide guidelines to adhere to when selecting project-related tools is a good idea. The third point is usefulness. The most important element to consider when choosing a software development tool is its utility. Select a tool whose deployment will aid in the project's success. The fourth consideration is integration. The software development tool you choose should work with other well-known programs. The higher the value added to a project and the development team, the more effectively the tool integrates with others. Prior experience with tools, the fifth considerations to make while choosing a software development tool. This element is largely determined by the team's previous experience with the tool. They can determine whether or not the tool will be effective in a project. The sixth and last point is overhead time. Many tools require a significant amount of time and effort to integrate with the current environment and deploy with the development team. Furthermore, certain tools, in addition to the initial deployment, need time and effort to utilize. So, before deciding on software development, think about the tool's overhead. Now that we've seen the metrics, we can choose the ideal tool for our software development project. Let's look at the list of software development tools that are now accessible. Today, a wide range of software development tools are available. These tools are grouped into different categories for easier comprehension. And these categories are top developer tools, best AI tools, popular database tools, best development framework tools, top cloud development tools, best source control tools, best prototyping development tools, top project management tools, top planning and release tools, and popular QA testing tools. So, talking about the first category, that is developer tools, following are the top developers tools available in the market. Number 1 is Umbold. Umbold is a unique software development tool that analyzes source code and identifies errors that significantly impact the project's robustness, stability, maintainability, and security. It's a software analytics platform with a wide range of built-in plugins. Anti-pattern detecting characteristics aid in the management of unmaintainable code. It performs faster and more thorough inspections for more than 10 different languages. Other tools, such as GitHub, Azure, Bitbucket, and others, are smoothly integrated with Umbold. It can also integrate the IntelliJ and Eclipse plugins and Git repositories. The second developer tool is Lynx. It is a low-code development tool for automating and developing back-end applications and web services. It can also host APIs, integrations, and automation without the need for infrastructure, frameworks, or code. Lynx features a user-friendly interface that facilitates the development and automation of business processes and database and system integration. For rapid development, there are over 100 inbuilt programming functions and services. You can also use directory events, a message queue, or a timer to automate the operation. You can deploy your applications or services to any cloud server or local server with a single click. It works with REST and SOAP web services, text and binary files, and SQL and NoSQL databases. Now let's discuss some of the best IDA tools available in the market. The first tool is Atom. Atom is both a code editor and a desktop editor. It's an open source, user-friendly, and dependable utility. It is compatible with the operating systems Windows, Linux, and Mac OS. Developers can use the smart auto-completion capability to write code quickly and easily. ManyPane is another feature of Atom that allows you to split the screen into multiple panes to edit and compare code across multiple files. And Atom is a versatile tool that allows users to change the look and feel of the user interface. Atom's file system browser allows you to search for and browse any single file, a single project, or numerous projects on a single screen. Users can also add new features without making any adjustments to the configuration file. The second tool is IntelliJ IDEA. IntelliJ IDEA is a Java-based integrated development environment for creating Java applications. As a result, it's one of the most popular Java programmers. This JVM-focused IDE comes with built-in version control, an integrated terminal, debuggers, and developer tools. In addition to focusing on developer ergonomics, it has features such as intelligent code completion and framework-specific support, as well as complete viewpoints into your code, such as error analysis, quick navigation, and in-depth coding assistance. So, these were the best IDE tools available in the market. Now let's discuss the popular database tools, that are DBSchemer and PostgreSQL. DBSchemer is the global virtual database designer tool. It helps you find and edit data from many tables using virtual foreign keys. This program can also be used as a database manager for SQL, NoSQL, and cloud databases. You can use this tool to share a schema and deploy it across multiple databases. SQLite, MySQL, Redshift, MongoDB, Snowflake, PostgreSQL, Microsoft SQL, and many other NoSQL and relational databases are supported by DBSchemer. Even if you have minimal familiarity with SQL, the Query Builder function allows you to design database queries visually. Database administrators and software developers can use Random Data Generator to produce test data. You can use Report Designer to create interactive charts, tables, and report sheets. Talking about PostgreSQL. PostgreSQL is an open-source object relational database system with a lot of capabilities. It has had a proven architecture and active development for over 15 years, earning it a high reputation for stability, data integrity, and accuracy. It is compatible with all major operating systems. Linux, Unix, and Windows are all examples. Text, photos, sounds, and videos are all supported. It also has C++, C, Perl, Python, Ruby, TCL, and Open Database Connectivity Programming Interfaces (ODBC). PostgreSQL offers 4 standard procedural languages, allowing users to write code in any of them and have it run on PostgreSQL database servers. Moving on to the fourth category, that is best development framework tools. The front-end development tool is software that makes it simple for developers to create attractive website layouts and apps. These tools aid in the web creation process by allowing users to drag and drop items and use other built-in capabilities to build a more appealing web design layout. Node.js is a cross-platform and open-source software development framework that allows developers to create a variety of web servers, online applications, and networking utilities. Unix, Windows, Mac OS, and Windows are all supported by Node.js applications. Node.js is more efficient and lightweight because it uses an event-driven and non-blocking I/O architecture. Developers can utilize the JavaScript language to script server-side apps on this platform. Node.js has several modules that provide well-organized and rapid solutions for constructing back-end structures and integrating them with front-end platforms. Our second development framework tool is Bootstrap. Bootstrap is also an open-source and free-to-use software development framework. It enables users to build and develop mobile-first projects and responsive websites using different programming languages such as JS, HTML, and CSS. Bootstrap is usually used to design and build simpler and faster websites. You can customize this platform as per the project's requirements and needs. There are built-in components that help users accumulate responsive websites. Some robust characteristics of Bootstrap include built-in components, SAS variables and mixins, plugins, and responsive grid systems. One of the most desired advantages of this tool is that it guarantees consistency among all users working on a project. Moving towards the fifth category, top cloud development tools. Cloud tools enable developers to build applications quickly using software development tools. The first tool that comes under top cloud development tools is Azure. It is a Microsoft service that allows you to create, test, deploy, and manage cloud applications on any platform. To create and design cloud applications on Azure, you can use any programming language. With DevOps technologies from Microsoft Azure, developers can swiftly design and develop dedicated apps. It's a cross-platform application that works with a variety of operating systems. It modernizes current programs using containers and serverless. It also works with various programming languages, devices, and frameworks. Some Azure products can be accessed for free at any time during the first year. The second tool is AWS ECS. It is a container orchestration service that makes it a breeze to start, halt, and manage containers in a cluster. Docker is pre-installed on AWS EC2 instances. It uses an API and the AWS Management Console to keep track of the containers, grow them, and administer the instances. AWS Copilot, a command line tool for building, deploying, and maintaining production-ready apps on ECS and Fargate, integrates with AWS ECS. It works on its own with a range of third-party solutions to help teams shift their focus from deployment to development. Applications can be deployed using AWS ECS from any Docker image source. Now let's discuss about the sixth category that we have on our list, that is best source control tools. The most popular source control tools are GitHub and Bitbucket. The first source control tools on our list is GitHub. It is without a doubt the most widely used software development platform in the industry. It's a web-based Git repository hosting service that acts as a Google Drive for people looking for code. You can submit your work, be it public or private, share them with others in the community. The project foundation is excellent, and the community is quite large. It's a terrific spot to go if you're searching for a spot to work on a project together. Although it can assist you in the process, GitHub is not a software development tool. Bitbucket is the another tool that comes under source control tools category. It is a web-based distributed version control system that lets software development teams cooperate. It serves as a repository for source code and development projects. Bitbucket is an outstanding tool because of its flexible deployment formats, permanent private repositories, code collaboration, and other features. Users can organize their repositories into projects in Bitbucket, making it easier to focus on their goal, process, or product. Code search, issue tracking, Git huge file storage, Bitbucket pipelines, connectors, and smart mirroring are just a few of the features available. Balsamiq comes under the best prototyping development tools category. Creating wireframes is Balsamiq's strong suit, but you can also use it to construct interactive prototypes for demos and testing. Balsamiq is a tool for folks who enjoy sketching. It's similar to a whiteboard sketching area. Designers can choose from more than 500 pre-made icons and elements or develop their components. The interactions are simple, and the final, low-fidelity prototype resembles a high-fidelity interactive wireframe more than anything else. Adobe XD is the second tool that comes under the seventh category, that is the best prototyping development tools on our list. Adobe XD is the best free mobile app prototype tool. With the use of Adobe XD, you can draw, reuse, and remix vectors and build artwork to create wireframes, screen layouts, interactive prototypes, production-ready assets all in the same app. It's easy to switch between prototype and design within the app. You can also share the applications with users and shareholders to test the look and feel of your design. As it is an Adobe product, it allows integration with several products like Photoshop and After Effects that are cherry on the top. The eighth category is top project management tools. Modern project management technologies can help with this. Project management software aids managers in appropriate planning, task assignment, deadline set, ensuring that everyone works on time, time tracking, and more. Some of the best project management tools are Trello and Zend. One of the most popular project management software is Trello. Trello's structure is based on the Kanban methodology. The list can be found in all of the projects on the board. Each card contains a progressive card that may be shifted by dragging and dropping. The cards can be assigned to the various boards. It contains several handy features, including the ability to input attachments, add colored labels, change the backdrop, and more. Slack and other corporate tools can be integrated with the tool. Moving on to the second tool, Zend. It is a tool that was created to increase productivity. This PHP-based IDE is one of the greatest software development tools for coding, debugging, and testing desktop and mobile applications. Zend integrates with Xdebug, Z-Ray, and other tools to improve development. It can also be used with GitHub's Gitflow and other development tools it provides support. Similarly, Zend PHP apps may be deployed on Microsoft Azure and Amazon AWS. Jira and Performance Helix Core falls under the ninth category, that is top planning and release tools. Jira is part of the widely recognized Atlassian suite. Jira software serves two primary functions: project planning, management, and problem tracking. It is well liked by the software development community and agile teams for both of these reasons. Jira is primarily used for planning, tracking, and releasing ready-to-deploy software. This up-and-coming development platform is known for its security, ensuring complete privacy, data encryption, and compliance. It can assist developers in creating issue stories and delegating work to the entire team. It may be further customized with various apps and Atlassian native services. And the second to all is Performance Helix Core. Perforce is a software development business that optimizes software development teams' operations. They display a profound understanding of the multifaceted nature and complexity of bringing apps to life through their products. Helix Core is a powerful tool that safeguards users' most important assets, allows for large-scale collaboration, and protects users' most valuable assets. Popular QA testing tools is the 10th and last category that we are going to discuss today. Qtest Manager and Testim are some of the popular QA testing tools. Any self-respecting business that wants to maintain its credibility and avoid embarrassment must conduct quality assurance testing. Qtest ensures a stable, dependable, and lightning-fast user experience. Thanks to their flexible configuration and real-time execution tracking, these software development tools allow users to manage their tests easily. One of the most important features of Qtest Manager is its ability to centralize test cases time-based. These test cases can be imported from Excel files, and several copies for future usage can be made. This fantastic software development tool's real-time QA measurements and reporting can provide data vital for increasing a team's production rate. Simple and complicated reports can also help to raise visibility. A variety of filtering options can be utilized to personalize the report to your specific needs. Talking about the second popular QA testing tool, Testim. It allows users to develop and publish stable tailored tests that are either codeless or programmed. Uses artificial intelligence to make tests more resilient, run parallel tests on their cloud across several browser types, and create and publish informative problem reports. Testing caters to novice and advanced users, allowing even non-technical team members to create tests without writing code. It improves usability and allows for image verification. With this, we have reached to the conclusion of this podcast. In this podcast, we've compiled a list of software development tools that are reliable, secure, and widely used. This thorough list is hoped to be useful in developing any current project. We've organized these development tools into categories, and each category has a specific role in the software development process. Make sure any of the tools listed above are compliant with your project requirements before selecting one. Thanks for listening. For more such informative content, keep following our podcast.